जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
Please be seated. Good morning, honorable members. The House will now come to order. Today's mock assembly will focus on issues related to our private schools, academics, safety, infrastructure, and students' welfare. I request all the members to maintain discipline and follow parliamentary procedure. Now I invite Honorable Education Minister to present academic development reports. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, ma'am. Our schools are continuously working to strengthen academic qualities. This year we propose, firstly, smart boards in all classrooms. Secondly, Hindi and English reading corners. Thirdly, weekly activity-based learnings. Fourthly, special classes for slow learners. Fifthly, monthly parents-teachers interaction days. We believe these steps will lead to holistic learning. Honorable Speaker, ma'am, these ideas are good, but students feel that homework load is sometimes too much. Will the government consider reducing it? We appreciate the concern. We will instruct all the teachers to plan homework in a balanced manner and avoid giving works on a continuous basis.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, I want to highlight that some students need more sports and art sessions. Studies alone cannot build confidence.
I agree. We are adding one extra sports period, one creative arts period from next month. Thank you for your suggestion. Thank you. The House appreciates the academic initiatives. I call upon the Honorable Health and Safety Minister. Thank you, ma'am. Health and safety are our top priorities. We are implementing. First one, regular campus sanitization. Second one, clean drinking water units. Third one, first aid training for teachers. Fourth one, periodic fire drills. Fifth one, more CCTV cameras in corridors. We also plan a school health with dental checkups, eye screenings, and nutrition awareness sessions.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, I request adding more dustbins in corridors to maintain cleanliness.
Approved. New dustbins will be placed at every block. Honorable Madam Speaker, students are requesting more shaded area on the playground. During hot days, they face difficulty. Have approved installation of shade nets and planned a plantation drive with 100 saplings. This will cool the campus. The House note the progress in a safety measures. Well done. I invite the Honorable Transport Minister.
Thank you, ma'am. Regarding school transport, all buses will undergo monthly fitness check. GPS tracking system will be added. New safety alarms will be installed. Bus attendants will ensure students are fully dropped to the destination. We also propose morning assembly by 5 minutes to avoid rush for students traveling long distance. This is a good step, but some parents say buses sometimes arrive late. We have given the instruction to the driver. From now on, strict timing will be followed. We will also set up transport helpline for parents.
Noted. Please ensure punctuality. I invite the Honorable Finance Minister. Thank you, ma'am. Our new school budget focuses on infrastructure improvement. Major allocations. First one, new computer lab with 25 systems. Second one, renovation of the school library. Third one, sports equipment purchase. Fourth one, sensor-based lights in corridors. Fifth one, digital ID cards for students and staff. We believe these developments will make our school more student-friendly.
Honorable Speaker, ma'am, when will the new computer lab be functional?
All systems have been ordered. Installation will be completed within 2 weeks. We also need more business on primary. Approved. 30 new benches will be delivered by next month. Ma'am, can we upgrade the auditorium sound system? If the house agrees, we will place an order this quarter. The House agrees. I request Honorable Chief Minister to give concluding address.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker ma'am. I am proud of our students for participating in this mock assembly. As a school, our goals are first one, quality education, second one, safe environment, third one, strong ethics and discipline, fourth one, support to teachers, fifth one, confident students. We will implement all the suggestions discussed today. Let us work together to make our institution a model school in Andhra Pradesh.
Thank you to all honorable members. With that, today's session is adjourned.